Hi and welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm going to show you how to make the Alaska cocktail. So this cocktail was first featured in the Savoy Cocktail Book by Harry Craddock. I believe around the 1930s was when it was first published. There's been many revised editions. I'll leave a link to that in the description below so you can go check it out. I've featured a lot of cocktails from this particular book. It's a great book. I'll also leave a link up here to the playlist of all Harry Craddock recipes that I've done so far to date. So I actually found this recipe on the Tuxedo No. 2, which is a really good reference for old classic cocktails. And they actually said that this was their favorite cocktail from the Savoy book. So I'm yet to try it. I haven't actually heard of it before, so I'm quite intrigued. It's a simple variation on a classic martini, substituting yellow chartreuse instead of the vermouth. So it's going to be a very herbal variation on the classic martini. So quite a while ago, I mentioned that I was going to talk about stirring techniques. I'll cover a little bit about it here because I haven't really done the basics. I've just been making drinks for the last 2 or 3 years. So I thought it would be quite helpful. But first, I'll start off by measuring 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of your preferred gin. So I'm using ounce gin, South Australian, vanilla, cardamom and orange notes to it. And I'm going to follow that with yellow chartreuse, 15 ml, half an ounce. I'm probably not game to try it with green chartreuse because I think they'll be incredibly potent. This is like a sweeter, dumbed down version, lower ABV that's probably going to work quite well with some dilution. Single dash of orange bitters before adding ice and stirring it. So I'll leave a link to the Tuxedo No. 2 website, as well as a link to another reference. All my favorite links and websites that you can go to. You can download that as a PDF file. So the longer you stir, obviously it chills it down further, adds more dilution to your drink. The drink will become less volatile, but it will release more of the aromas. So this is one of those drinks that you want to stir for a little bit longer because it's going to release those herbal notes of the yellow chartreuse. If you like your boozier martinis, you like more spirit-forward drinks, you can stir a martini for 30 seconds if you like. But if you like the more herbal notes of the gin, then you can stir from anywhere between 1 minute and 2 minutes. So I've been stirring for about 1 minute now. And I think that's just about right for me. So it's completely up to you how long you stir for and how much dilution you want. I'll also link to that article in the description below. It's quite a short article, so it's worth checking out and having a quick read. So strain into your chilled cocktail glass, martini, Nicanora, coupe. So there you have the Alaska cocktail. Cheers. So you really do get the aromatics of the gin and the yellow chartreuse. You do want to make sure you dilute this cocktail because it is going to be quite potent otherwise. So give it a good minute. And even if you want to, you can do a comparison, stir for 15 seconds and make the second one and stir it for a little bit longer and do a side-by-side comparison. You can work out how you like your drinks. But cheers. So you get the notes from the gin, the botanicals coming through. This is just that you don't get the ethanol, you don't get the liquor, you don't get that boozy punch because it has enough dilution in it, and you do get the flavors and the botanicals from the gin, the herbal notes from the yellow chartreuse. So if you like herbal drinks, if you like martinis, definitely one for you and worth trying. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.